Priebus, McGahn hire lawyer amid Mueller probe. White House counsel Don McGahn and former White House Chief of Staff Reince Priebus have hired a prominent white-collar attorney in Washington to advise them on special counsel Robert Mueller's probe, which reportedly is turning its focus to decisions made in the White House related to the investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 election. Trout's hiring follows a Washington Post report which said Mueller was interested in interviewing 6 current and former Trump aides for his investigation. Interim White House Communications Director Hope Hicks has retained her own lawyer to represent her in the ongoing Russian Federation investigation, Politico reported Friday night. Mueller is reviewing the draft of the Comey firing letter that he obtained, and he has some questions for the people who were working in the White House at the time about the reason why the president fired the then FBI director. Priebus, who was sacked as chief of staff on July 28, is of interest to Mueller because of his possible knowledge about the now infamous June 9, 2016, Trump Tower meeting between Donald Trump Jr. and a group of Russian lobbyists. The others on the list are reportedly former Press Secretary Sean Spicer, McGahn Deputy James Burnham, and White House spokesman Josh Raffel, who works closely with Jared Kushner, a key advisor and son-in-law to the president. Still, the upcoming interviews are a sign that the FBI's wide-ranging probe into the Trump White House and campaign is intensifying. The Daily Beast reported on Friday that the White House is considering organizing legal defense funds to help aides defray legal costs associated with Mueller's investigation. He was special counsel and deputy counsel to former President George W. Bush and a former federal prosecutor in New York City. He has represented former Virginia Governor. The 28-year-old protege reportedly hired Robert Trout, a respected attorney who also served for 4 years as assistant USA attorney in Baltimore.